Welcome to Shop Total Bliss, your trusted partner for all your commercial needs. Today, we're excited to shine a spotlight on our exceptional ear care services, proudly delivered by the expert audiologists from Hearing First Private Microsuction Earwax Removal. Conveniently located at 285 Willow Road within Willow House Surgery, Enfield, EN13AZ, we are dedicated to providing safe, gentle, and highly effective microsuction earwax removal. You'll also receive professional ear health advice you can truly trust. Our experienced audiologists ensure a clean, comfortable, and quick procedure meticulously designed to restore your clear hearing and provide relief from blocked or muffled ears. Experience the difference with our dedicated care. Booking your appointment is incredibly simple. Just click the link in the description below to view our clinic information, address, parking availability, contact details, and the full list of services. Then, with a simple tap, secure your appointment instantly. For any other inquiries or to speak with our friendly team, feel free to call us directly at 020-3397-9787. We look forward to helping you achieve optimal ear health.